Yes, hello, hello, hello. Money in the bank here representing. Yes, traders, money in the bank here representing. Yeah, from FX Volatiles, you know how we do it, you know how we do it. Yeah, we are into this gold buys. We just checking the markets, guys. Want to see how this market is just gonna be heading, maybe to give us like $100, maybe. I welcome everyone that is just joining in with money in the bank. We want to see this market maybe close above there. How to jabera gumite. This is 5 minute time frame. Remember, this is our live account, which we are taking in slowly, slowly. Once if you can grow it massively. I welcome everyone that is just joining in with Money in the Bank. We already trading gold. We already trading gold. So if you're there, just join in with Money in the Bank. You know how we do it, guys. You know how we do it. You know how we do it. It's Tuesday. The market is just bullish. The market has been bullish for the whole day. We've gotten just a retracement from here. The market just broke above here. So if expect if this market breaks above this high here, this is the day's high. All right, this is the day's high here. We have a small structure here, which is like acts like a resistance. So we need the market to break above so that we can continue, maybe achieve another like 100 pips there. So if this guy breaks above here, we can achieve from here, that can be about 200 pips. So we are targeting about 200 pips. Let's see how the market is just going to be having from now. I know how we do it, you know how we do it, you know how we do it. The market is just bullish. I welcome everyone that is just joining in with Money in the Bank representing. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Just small cough. You have sort of like a structure here because this guy broke below here. This was the last green candle here. So I don't know why the market is just playing hide and seek there. But we need it. We need this market to really break above here so that we see what we can do with the market makers there. Just go back to 5 minute time frame. It is just 28 minutes past 7 o'clock East African time. You know how we do it. We just need a big push above here. And remember, tomorrow we're going to be having CPI, so that's why the market has broken above. We expect more bullish momentum. If it breaks above here, we shall be expecting more bullish momentum, guys. So let's just wait and see. Let's see what the market has for us. Let's break even might easily take us down. Let's just keep our SL of about $18. So because the market might want to retrace back here because it has broken above here. So let's just wait and see what the market has for us when we look at 30 minutes time frame. That guy flipped above. So We expect a big sweep because this market on 30 minutes came back and retested this level. So we expect maybe coming and sweeping out this high here. So we are just waiting to see what the market has for us onto that zone there. It's exactly 30 minutes past 7 o'clock, South African time. Let's see if this guy on 5 minutes can come and close above here. Should still have a bullish momentum here. That's created a resistance here. Let's see. I expect this liquidity to be swept up here. How many pips range? There's a pip range of about 55 pips. So let's wait and see what the market has for us, guys. We're already into these buys here. We are into a buy bias. Just watching the market, see what's gonna be having there. We already into buys there. Yeah, watching the markets play around like chicken, foodless chicken. So just want to see how that 5 minute candle is just gonna be closing, because we might have a retest down there before the market pushes back. Yeah, the market is just quiet. It has been moving. It has already moved about 700 pips since morning. But for us, we are catching a few pips for the evening. We are catching some evening tea here. So you can join in and we check out this evening tea how it's just gonna be, guys. So this is what it is. This is what it is. Money in the bank here from Imaginet Holdings Limited. Once see how that card is just gonna be playing. It is just 32 minutes past 7 o'clock East African time here. Let's see how that guy is just gonna be praying around there. It closes blue, might have a big push of the candle because the momentum is there. Some volumes. If it doesn't close green, I will just move out of that trade. I need this candle to close green above here, maybe above this level here that it has just created here. If I get a close above there, then I'll be confident. If this guy doesn't close green, there I have no business there. I'll be break evening my trade. So welcome guys, welcome guys. We are gonna be here live streaming. Today was a busy day for me, that's why I've come late here. Yeah, but still again we have to catch some few pips here and there. That's our work. That's our duty. Our duty is to make pips count, guys. So we mulamu agwa katale ketubeeramu. So we want to see this guy closing above here, this 5 minute candle. It closes and we get take a small retest. Yeah, should be able to push it higher and higher. So we're just waiting to see how it's just like a few seconds to the close of that candle. Yeah. Welcome to live trading with money in the bank. You know how we do it. You know how we do it every day. in and out. We represent. We don't go astray. Every day, same setup, same market, same gold. We do this gold every day. I say, do it every day? Yeah, I do it every day because that's where the bread comes from. So all we need is to see that guy has closed above there. So let's see how the market is just gonna behave there. And that's given us this carry test here, this small retest. So let's see if this market can push about 100 pips. We're still counting on him. We're still counting on him. We also have a small level here. It's a resistance level here. It also needs to be broken above so that the market can continue pushing. Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. That's how we do it every day. Trading live with money in the bank. I welcome everyone that is just joining in with money in the bank. Yeah, it is what it is. This is what it is. This is what it is. Trading with the best of East Africa. Hey, tuze wano bakatale paka kulira bubi. If he did it, why can't I did it? So we need this guy to stay above there. Let's wait and see how that guy is just gonna be behaving within that zone. Yeah, those pullbacks are just normal in the markets. When you look at 15, it is just making this small retracement here, maybe. Then we continue pushing to the upside. Let's just wait and see how the market plays out. I welcome everyone that is just joining in. Money in the bank here representing we are buying gold. We bought gold here at 52.27 because from 5-minute time frame, let's see, we had a break of structure above here. Market came back and retested. After the close of this guy here, we took a trade. So we can see we still have these small retracements. Maybe it can want to come back because this guy engulfed this structure here, pushed above. That was this last green candle here, maybe, which people, but the favorite gap here was closed. So once if this guy can come and close again here above so that we can see if we can push the market. Because sometimes people now be seeing this one like, the market is forming an M structure. No. Because for us, we see it differently. Yeah. So we'd love, it's just 38 minutes past 7 o'clock. It's African time. You know how we do it, you know how we do it, you know how we do it. We're just waiting to see if this guy closes above. If it doesn't, can't closes below here, they shall not have any business. We want him close above here. This is 5 minutes on gold. Yeah, it is what it is, it is what it is, it is what it is. Katare maituli, tetulina jetulaga. So we're just waiting to see. We need to see this market maybe come and sweep off this liquidity that today's high. This is the day's high, man. So if he sweeps this guy, that means we shall be able to achieve like about 100 pips above. So welcome everyone. Shall be here trading live stream. Shall be trading live with you guys from Monday to Friday, London and New York session. It's just that today, London, I was too busy. I didn't manage to be live today. So we keep it simple, we keep it precise, and we see what the market has for us. Chiwoziwozi, kitegeera. This guy refused to close above. It's just making noise here and there. So that's got 15-minute time frame. It's still also making noise above there as we wait to see what the market wants to unleash for us. It is undecisive right now. To unstrap sellers, those who are trading an M structure that the market has reached maybe days high, what? But for us, we move with the market. Where the market takes us is where we go. Because when you look at H2, it flipped up. So I expect this market sweep above, regardless of what. I welcome everyone that is just joining in. We've just 16 minutes into the live stream. We took a buy here. We're just waiting for the market maybe to break fully above here. To break fully above here, we take out these 54 points to 100 because I'm targeting about 52.47. So just waiting to see what the market is just praying here. It doesn't. I've just given it a stop loss of about only 37 points. That's about $18 if I lose. That is small. So we keep locked in. $42 minutes past. It's about time. We are still holding on to that trade. Because this guy broke above here, this guy engulfed here, crossed above this structure. So it has come back to that zone. So let's wait and see what the market has for us. Continues breaking below there. That means we shall be hot soap. Yeah, but nevertheless, that's how the market moves. That's how the market does its work. It looks like this market wants to come back again here. The way it is misbehaving here and there. Let's see if it can respect this small structure here. If it doesn't, we are already protected. We'll be expecting such retracements. Market going up and down. So biz, just biz like normal. Let's see how that guy is just gonna be closing. It closes above our white line here on this structure. shall be better. If it doesn't, it might want to come and first pin around, of which it is normal. Ooh, another 15-minute candle has just formed, guys. It's 45 minutes past 7 o'clock East African time. Let's see how that market is just going to be behaving. Doesn't behave and misbehaves, still cover. Because we wanted a break above here, so the market hasn't broken above there. And tomorrow we have CPI, guys. We have CPI. So market is still just damn bullish. Very bullish. So one candle can be carrying like 200 pips like this one. Carried about 190 pips. Gold is just very heavy. You just need to use small lot sizes because me I'm using 0.05. So welcome back, guys. So you can keep your comments coming in. You can keep checking out. Let's look at pound. Pound is just there mingling. EJ. All these ones are not moving today. Also have US 30. US 30 might come to that point there. Because it broke above here. Right now I'm already in code. I can't easily go for another pair right now. I welcome everyone. I welcome everyone. You can tell a friend to tell a friend. We are going to always be live here trading with you guys. Monday to Friday, New York and London sessions, where the volumes of the market are kicking in like a rainbow. So, tulina okusigala amasasi mu kyemba. Tulina okuba nga tuli gumite. Just need to be gumite so that need this guy to close way above here, above 52.35 there. We are buying onto gold, guys. We bought gold. So we're still cheating in him to see how if he's gonna pay us what we need. We need him to break out of this consolidation here that he's just making on 15 minutes time frame. So you know how we do it, how we do it. Yeah, sharper than any two-edged sword, Yeah, if you're here, you can text to me. I see one person here. You can text, you can message, you can inquire about any other pair. Don't feel shy to ask. Asking is part of the game. This is US 30X, but this is a heavy pair. So just need to be gumite. Let's see what God has for us. Let's see God what has for us. Space is just wired. Have a clean range on the left side on H2 time frame. You know what? When the market is mingling and trickling, it can cause you goosebumps in your stomach. Welcome everyone that is just coming in. This is my the bank live streaming. It's 15 minutes. It's just flipping around. Doesn't want to give us money. Well, I see the volume has just reduced totally. That guy has come back to our entry because we bought him from here at 52.27. Our stop loss is so small because I use Chumako. Let's see. Yeah, we have some noise which was going through here. So we keep in locked in. You know how we do it, you know how we do it, you know how we do it. Pere tuina kwetinga te tuina kwetuenkana na ye we just traders. Let me look at 5 minutes what's it's doing. It's just praying hide and seek on that structure. Because the left ear structure it has come and tested it. So it is making noise for us here. So you're just waiting on to it patiently because there is also a structure here. If it is violated, well and good. Awo tujja kumanya batukubye. Aye ng'ate banatukuba tusigalawo. We stay there and we see what the market has for us. First moved good pips and I didn't bank. Moved about 79 pips. Damn. I welcome everyone that is just joining in. This is Money in the Bank Live here with you guys. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We're going to be a New York, London session. Checking live trades because you can see this is my live XNES account. This is about 4K, but I'm using 0.05. And you can see my stop loss is very close, so tight. So we are protecting. All we want is to gain from the market, not the market to gain from us. Because this one's just playing hide and seek here. Need this candle to close when it is green. You have like 2 minutes to the close of this 5-minute candle here. So we're just waiting to see how it's just gonna be behaving there. Because we just trade the market, how it moves, how it reacts, how it be is like taking us east to west home. Yeah, but we stay in. We stay put. Because this is the jungle that we eat from. Can never chase a lion away from the jungle. That's where its life is. So our life is within the charts, guys. So we keep it simple. We keep it rocked in. We keep it masavu. Let's just see how this guy is just gonna be closing here. Just deciding to close in red because now this was the structure because this guy broke above and damn. A new 5 minute candle has been formed. This is green. I needed it to close above here, but it didn't. So it's a very tricky one now. Because when you look at 15 minutes, it's just 5 minutes to the top of the hour. Let's see how 8 a.m. 8 p.m. is just gonna come. We're just patiently waiting for us to just keep into the market, eyes open, doing our thing every day, Monday to Friday. Fete tulina gwe tusinga ate tulina gwe twenkana naye. We are just traders. Iwe kambagambira ebyekakamaru. Kanti sata akalangwa n'amaganda. Tereeza saiki tuwira kalyambona. Yeah, we just locked in. We just locked in. We just locked in. All we need to see this kind of closing green short above that white line. If that guy closes above that white line, tujja kubeera gumite. Just 1 minute to the top of the hour. Now I'll do it. Now I'll do it, guys. Oh, the volume has just stopped. I think I need just to call this straight. Tuwira kariam pula, bazingam shingu, impakatavi malo. This is just 8 p.m. East African time. We're still to that market. Yeah, we are trading gold, guys. We are trading gold. We are trading gold. We are trading gold. All you need to do is always be there in the London session, which opens at 4 o'clock, and London session that New York opens at 4 East African time. Then London opens at exactly 11 at East African time here. Market is just still stuck here within this structure here. It's just consolidating. Yeah, welcome, welcome. Money in the bank here, money in the bank here. You know how we do it, you know how we do it. I know people are there sleeping. In Uganda, people can sleep. East Africa can sleep. It is night in the East African area code. Still stuck into gold, man. Market is not shifting, guys. The market is not shifting. Need this boy to shift so that we can get better pips, more better returns. We're still in gold. It's just 40 minutes into the live stream, guys. Gold is still stuck here into gold. The volume is just too small. The market has already moved about 700 pips. Just scalping here, a few pips here and there. That was the high of the day, 52.28. What's if the high of the day can be consumed without fear or favor? This is 5 minutes time frame, so we just rocked in. Want to see what the market has for us, guys. So using a 0.05 as my lot size, can technically see here. I be targeting 200 pips every day. I target 200 pips so that I can get like $100. That's the most important thing here. So I welcome you everyone. I welcome everyone. You need to just push with me here so that we can take into the market. We take it to the next level, guys. You know how we do it. Yeah. You don't need to be there and say, I can't trade. You can trade, guys. You can trade with me. No wahala, no wahala, no wahala. Strictly business. This is for education purposes, not investment purposes. Yeah, late nights, we be pushing with the market late nights because this gold we just bought him there. It broke above here, came back into this structure, made another one to confuse the people. If it breaks above here, anyone can add in a trade. So let's wait and see how that market is just going to be behaving around that zone. Because this is the day's high. Once if they can take it away, and we continue pushing with the market. Bang, that's 54 pips in. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Yo, this is money in the bank. FX. We'll be live streaming with you guys. Yeah, we began yesterday, but one. And we began, I think, last week. So we are still building up. We are still building up with you guys. Confidence, gaining confidence within the market makers side, guys. Gaining confidence online. Executing online is not easy when the world is just all eyes on. Yeah, I know how we do it. How we do it. How we do it. So we keep it easy. We keep it charmed. So we want to see how this market is just gonna. Once see this 5 minute candle close above here, we get like a small retracement back there. Then we shall be top shutter there. How to just bear our top shutter. So we need to see this market maybe close above there. We are just patiently waiting. When we look at 5 minute time frame, market is just shifting its momentum. When you look here, you need to see that guy close above there also. Market is just all about patience. If you're not patient, you can't win in this market. Because it can decide to pin there, pull back, pin there, pull back. But we are confident. We just wait and see what the market has for us. Fete tulina chetutia. Because I've given him like a stop loss of about $18. So that guy has refused to close above there. Just making us like look like, oh Jesus. Shut down that I was so. Let's see if this guy can break its high. If it breaks its high, just know that it is continuing up to here. Let's see. That's 5 minute time frame. The new time frame, 5 minutes has just formed. It is 8-10 minutes East African time. Let's see. Because I believe volume is just kicking in another volume. Because New York comes in at 10 o'clock. I mean at 4 o'clock East African time. So we are just into New York, guys. Just keep on locked in. Those who are just joining in, cheers to you. Won't see that guy flipping up if he doesn't flip up, man. Awo manya tuli mu kamululu, kankubye ndulu. So that's how we do it. It's just crazy here, crazy here. How many points were those? Those were about 65 points, man. Should have banked that shit, man. It flips above here and takes off its high. That would be another buy. Whew. Let's just wait and see. Because this is like a resistance zone. That's why you see the market is pumping in, coming out, pumping in, coming out. So if it breaks above 50, 52, if it breaks above here, we need the market to break above here, then someone can take a buy here and put your stop loss here. Because me, I only use 0.05, that's why I'm chilled in there. Then this guy is just gonna sweep all this liquidity here. He's just gaining momentum. Look at that shit. It's just consuming these liquidities. Just trying to give us guys here. Let's wait patient and see. Let's wait patient and see. Those guys who are just joining in. This is Money in the Bank. Trading video live. Let's see if this guy can cross above here. How many people have taken that trade? Because I said if it is breaking above here, take, then your stop loss is just about 20 pips. Yeah, but if you want, you can wait patiently here for the market to close above very well. So that, because it is just 14 minutes past 8 p.m. East African time. You gotta wait patiently for that market to close above here. Damn, it has closed above there. So maybe a small tail here, then the market continues. So look what 15 minutes is coming back here. Because that's closed above here. So let's see if this guy can push. to break its highs. This guy's just misbehaving here. Okay. I think that guy's just stopped there because that's corrected all the move. Just need to move out of this guy because a break below there, that means the market is just shooting down. Damn. Just give us equal eyes, man. It's just gonna be pushing. This is it one. This guy has just refused that. Look at what it is doing. Pipped on my stop loss, but just gonna take out that stop loss. Just need to cut my loss. That's He's gonna smoke our stop loss. That market is just wired, man. The stop loss it has to be consumed. Never be there and adjust your stop loss because you can adjust and the market keeps on pushing, pushing, pushing. And your stop loss, yo, ends of order. So still cover. That's the role of the stop loss. This is 15 minutes time frame, guys. So don't be surprised. And that's how the market traps sellers, beats you, and it moves. It's very common in the market. That's broken below this structure here. This is a 5 minutes time frame. I think I need to move out of this market. This guy flips to the down. Just to know that we are out of the market. Because you can see this big bull candle. It's 100 pips. Just need to take a small loss there. Because this market is not shifting, man. I don't know why it's not shifting. That one has to be consumed. Because this guy broke a bar below here. This was the support zone. Guy broke down below there with a big momentum. So I don't think that he's just going to go back easily with this M structure here. The market is like a jungle. It can either come for you, you can come for it. You go on a mission of winning or losing, but we come in a mission of winning. Because every trader comes on a mission of winning. This market is just funny. Came and reached on our stop loss. That's the importance of having a very nice broker. If it was another broker, the spread would have taken me out here. So I'm using Xness as my broker. That's why you see now I think this guy is just creeping up. The other minute candle has just opened up. This guy has crossed above here, above this structure here. So expect him to be pushing higher and higher. Let's see what the market has. This is 30 minutes time frame. It has broken above this red candle. So expect maybe a carry test here, maybe the market to continue pushing to the upside. Because this was the day's high. Once if the market can take off its high today that it has created. It doesn't. Well and good. And this guy didn't close. So market is just still undecisive. Just take my trade on break even. If it takes me out, I'm out. Period. And I will call it a day. Need like 100 pips on this trade here, surely. Let's see from here. 100 pips around that is on there. Around 52.37. Let's see how that guy is just gonna be behaving. This 30-minute candle. Maybe if it takes above its previous high, I would know it will just achieve my take profit. Yeah, it's the game of patience. If you're not patient enough, the market will always squeeze your ball and nothing you can do about it. That's the market makers for you. Can see how the market is frustrating. Eh? And people be there saying, trading is easy, trading is easy. Trading has never been easy, guys. All you need is just to be gumite, no kubera mulevo. You can see what it has done. Check that. Check that shit, man. Can just imagine. Dump and rise. Let me just take profit because it has started misbehaving. How it is misbehaving, guys. Just real crazy. Look at that. And that's 30 minutes time frame. So bullshit. It's just something. I think I just need to take my profit now. Kuanga. Kaganye. Trade close above here. So what you do, what you do, what you want, what you want. It's a freak of a market today. market can decide to say what and what. Kachai kawooma naye akatale baaba kakuleeta entuuyo.